Welcome to our channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more web accessibility tips and tricks. Today, we're exploring the importance of alt text, an essential component for making your website accessible to everyone. So, why is alt text so important? For many users with visual impairments, screen readers are the primary way to navigate the web. Without alt text, these users would miss out on essential information conveyed through images and videos. Alt text also enhances SEO, as search engines use this text to better understand and index your site's content. Let's see how you can add alt text in WordPress. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Pages. Select the page where you want to add or edit an image. In the WordPress editor, click on the image you've uploaded or want to upload. Here, you can add your alt text. Make sure your alt text is descriptive and concise. For example, if your image is of a sunset over a mountain range, your alt text could be sunset over the Rocky Mountains with a pink and orange sky. Remember, good alt text should be specific, relevant, and not too lengthy. Avoid phrases like image of or picture of. The screen reader already identifies it as an image. By adding alt text to your images and videos, you're making your website more accessible to everyone and improving your SEO. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more web accessibility tips. See you next time.